My name is Michelle and I'm a tutor on Cambly. Today you will be learning the differences between the words either and neither. Now these words sound very similar and they even confuse some native English speakers. So don't worry if you're having some trouble knowing how to use them. By the end of the video, you will be able to use them in conversation in a very natural way. To begin, let's take a look at their use in negative sentences. When they are used in negative sentences, either and neither mean also, too, or as well. However, although they have the same meaning, they follow different grammatical structures. Either is used with a negative verb and it comes at the end of a sentence. For example, I don't like cold weather. I don't like cold weather either. Neither is used with a positive verb and it comes at the beginning of a sentence. Then comes the verb and then comes the subject. So the sentence structure is the following: neither plus verb plus subject. For example, Anna does not know how to swim. Neither does Olivia. Either and neither are also used on their own when there are two options, people, or things. Either means whichever or any of the two. For example, I will go to the supermarket Monday or Tuesday. I have time either day. Neither means none of the two. For example, there is chocolate and vanilla ice cream. I like neither. We also hear either or and neither nor. These have opposite meanings. Either or means one of the two. For example, I will go to the supermarket either Monday or Tuesday. Neither nor means none of the two. For example, neither chocolate nor vanilla are my favorite ice cream flavor. It's actually strawberry. Now you're ready to use either and neither in conversation. For those who are unfamiliar with Cambly, Cambly is an online platform that gives you instant access to friendly native English speakers like me. You can practice your English from your phone or from your computer anytime, anywhere. Click the link below to schedule a lesson with me. Thank you so much for watching and happy learning! Bye-bye!